In this video, we're going to show you where and how to mount the tilt sensor. We include this with some kits. It's an optional item, but it's needed in cases where the conveyor that the load cells are installed in tilts up and down while it's working or from one load to the next. And as you change the tilt angle, the load cells see a different weight, and so we have to compensate for that. And in those cases, we want to install a tilt sensor, and we've used this style for many years. It mounts on a little plate that we ship with the kit, mounts with a little bit of hardware that we also include, and it sits together with the load cell. So we've got a couple of holes in there, and they match with the load cell. At the end of our load cell bracket, we have 2 bolt holes, and the reason we would say put it on there is just so the tilt sensor is on the same plane as our load cell, because that's very important that the tilt sensor stays on the same plane as the load cell. So you just take our bracket here at the 2 holes, line it up with the 2 holes on the end of the load cell bracket, and that's where you would mount your tilt sensor.